Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel A Plus Mind. Today we learned about pie chart, which is also called circle graph. Now, what is pie chart or circle graph? We also say them pie chart. And how we define it? Circle graph and pie graph. It is a circular way to represent data. The circular way to represent data. Just like this, this is a circle in which I show some sectors like this sector, and this sector. Just like I will show some sports, this cricket, football, hockey, badminton, all of the others. Just like, but in this paragraph, I will tell you about we write in percent. We write in percent, just like 15%, 20%, 25%, 30%, and you should remember all of these things. It all of them it will be 100%. So when we add them 50, 20, 25, 30, and which remaining we will add in the other, but we will always equal to in 100%. So it's a little introduction of circle graph. Next, I will explain different examples in which you completely understand what is a pie chart and a circle graph. Okay. When you hear the word pie, you might think of food, and you are absolutely right. In fact, in France, pie charts are even are called just like it will be show like pizza. You know about pizza? This is a pizza. Our shape, pizza shape is also circular form, and almost you will find in their mind it will be pizza. So pie chart also do look like fruit slice in pieces, and exactly how they work. Now, by the type of graph, data is shown in a circle. Just you see this. The entire circle represent on whole. Each slide show the part of the whole. Just like it will be, I explained you that it will be 100%, and all of these parts. All of their parts. Simple pizza, just like four slices. 1, 2, 3. There are four slices. We cut into four slices. One or two. Two slices are for cheese. Two slices for vegetables. And all four sizes are prepronic. Just by looking, we can quickly see that preparing is the most popular because it has bigger slice. That's why pie charts are so useful. They help us compare parts of whole very quickly. Now, what we remember in these important parts in this circle graph, a pie chart is also called a circle graph, and circle graph is also called a pie chart. It's also called a pie chart. The whole circle is equal to 100%. Whole circle will be 100%. Okay, each circle is called a sector. All of them called sectors. Okay, each sector represent a proportion of the whole. Each sector is represent a proportion, just like 15%, 20%. So what is this? It's a proportion of whole. Percentage, a fraction and decimal all means the same thing. Percentage, we write them fractions, we write them percentage, we write in decimals. For example, there is a 50%. there is a 50%. So its complete whole is 100%. So half whole is 50%. Complete whole is 100% because 50 plus 50 is equal to 100. 100%. The 50% what is? It's a half of the circle graph. But if you write there is 25%, then it is a fourth part. The fourth part of the circle. The fourth part of the circles. Because when we add 24 times 25, then it will be make 100. Example number 1. According to graph, what percent of every energy bill is spent on drying clothes? By the drying clothes, there is a drying clothes, $0.03. Lightning, $0.05. And heating water. All others, we will not count. Why? They talks about only clothes, lighting and heating water. We only count. And now let's look the circle graph showing where you energy dollars go. The entire circle represents $1 means 0.60 plus 0.17 plus $0.03 plus $0.04 plus $0.05 plus $0.11 plus 0.11 is equal to $1. So we asked to find what percent is spent on the clothes drying. There is total circle is $1. Clothes drying is $0.03. Lightning $0.05. Next, heating water $0.17. First we add these amounts. When we add these amounts, then our answer is $0.25. $0.25. Since $0.14 are dollars, the equals the 25%. Means if you don't understand this, $0.03 plus $0.04 plus $0.17 is $0.25. So if we want to convert into percent, 0.25 multiplied by 100, it will be 25% of total 100% and $1 of 0.25. Fighting water, drawing water, and light. I hope you clearly understand how we can understand this circular graph or pie chart. So 25% of every energy bill is spent on drying clothes, lighting, and heating water. Example number 2, a graph below shows how a children's sport camp spend its weekly budget. It's a complete graph. Equipment 18%, lunch is 35%, bus 28%, infirmary 8%, umpire 11%. How much does the sports camp spend on lunches each week? So firstly, we analyze the graph. According to headings, the entire circle represents the camp weekly budget. What is weekly budget? When we add them, all of them, 18% plus 28% plus 8% plus 11% plus 35%. $2250. So, according to section levels, lunches make up 35%. You can see. So, we use the data to find the amount spent on lunches. So, what we will do, find the lunches spent on the each box. One slide show lunches 35%. It's a percent. So we convert into decimals. It will be 0.35. So when we multiply 0.35 multiplied $2250. We also firstly convert them into decimal and then we add them $2250. So our answer is 787.50. The camp spent $787.50 on lunches each week. So I hope you completely understand the pie graph or circle graph by these two examples. And you should to remember the rule for to understand the pie chart. Whenever you see a person, convert it to decimals and then multiply. Angles in pie chart, a full circle. Circle is equal to 360-degree angle. So our formula for angle is part over whole multiplied by 360 degree. So example 25% of circle. If there is a 25% of circle, so 25% multiplied by 360 is equal to 90 degree. Each sector's angle matches its percentage size. Pie chart is equal to circle graph. Pie chart is equal to circle graph. Whole is equal to 100%. So its angle is 360 degree. You should remember all of these things. Firstly, for do any question, convert percent to decimals. Okay. Next, multiply to find actual values. If you solve any question, multiply to find actual values. Subtract from 100% to find remaining. Subtract from 100% to find remainings. Add percentage if parts are combined. These questions are easy makes if you know the methods. So I hope you clearly understand what is pie chart, what is a circle graph. So what can pie chart shows? Pie chart can show in our daily routines, budgets, favorite foods, survey, time management, sports, pets, habits. You can use pie chart for almost anything. So inshallah, we will do the next chapter in the next video. Pie charts are simple, visual and scoring. Once you understand them, they become free marks in your exams. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I will see you in the next video. Happy graphing. Allah Hafiz.